Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it is a Ford C-Max. Now this car we supplied actually twice, going back to 2021 and then again in 2022, and we just took it back in part exchange. Nice clean diesel. It's a titanium, so it's a high spec one. It's got aircon, that works. Alloys, electric windows, electric mirrors, just all been machine polished, so it's all looking nice and shiny. Very good service history. I think from memory there's 12 stamps in the book. We did a cambelt at, I think it was about 110,000 miles. The car's now done 124. So we didn't need to do that. We would have done the water pump as well at the same time. That will come with a service, it will come with a new MOT. We always aim for no advisories on your MOT as well. I should make a nice little car for somebody. They've got our fuel. These will return you high 40s, 50 to a gallon if you take your time. It's all nice and clean, so I'll just get all clean, polished, seats washed. It's got an upgraded DAB stereo there, got USB connectivity as well. 124,000 miles. Auto lights, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated screen. It's a decent spec being on titanium. More pictures on the website, that's rostandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call, 07 868 722